Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our March monthly layouts, and I've got my sticker books that I pulled from right here. And I also grabbed this pen because I'm going to be doing a rainy day spread, as you just kind of saw there on the wax paper sheet. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and get started by putting in these watercolor swatches at the top. And I basically just cut them in half and am using them as clouds. That's the idea here, that I'm trying to make them look like clouds. So I'm going to go ahead and stick those in, and I just need to try to make sure that I align them to the edge of the paper. So it's taking a minute. I know I've seen this done before where they use the watercolor as clouds. I cannot remember where I saw it. It's been a little while, but I've kind of had that idea in the back of my mind. I just thought it was a really clever way to use them, and I think they're going to work out pretty well with the layout I have for this month. So these came from the Watercolor Goals sticker book, and I picked teal and yellow as my colors for the theme, mainly because I had some teal rain boots as a sticker, and then I had a yellow rain slicker sticker, and those kind of were the color inspiration, and so I'm working off of that. Okay, so I've got those clouds in, and now I'm going to go ahead and draw in some raindrops using my friction pen. This is a friction marker, I believe. It'll be linked down below in the description if you are interested in getting a closer look at the pen. And it's kind of soft, so I don't use it very much for writing, but it's great for things like this, especially if you're not really sure how you want it to look and might need to make some adjustments as you go, which I am doing, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those in. And the idea is to keep the raindrops kind of a little bit more dense at the top and then lighten it up as it gets towards the bottom, so there'll be less and less rain as you go towards the bottom. Basically just going off of how I want it to look, you know, just not too clustered. And I'm also doing it right below the clouds so that it's just kind of concentrated there in the middle. And now I'm going to go ahead and just add a little more color to the March and the 2000 there at the top, outlining the lettering there. I'm also going to highlight these holidays, again, just to add a little bit more color. Now I am adding in these little, I don't know what you would call those little swooshes. That came off of a quote with a hello in the middle of it. And the reason that I cut it up and I'm using it there at the top was because there are a few other stickers that I'm going to use to kind of simulate wind, and they have the same styling, so I wanted to keep that all tied together. Also too, here on this rainy day sticker, I wanted to use it, but it had that umbrella that I just covered up with the white out because the color scheme wasn't quite right for what I was doing here, that pinky tone, so I covered it up to make it work. I also put that Love This sticker on top of it to cover up a teacup that was on there as well. Okay, so now I am laying in the yellow washi at the bottom, and sorry this is off camera, a little bit farther down than I thought I was. But basically I'm just lining the bottom there, which you'll see in a minute. And I remembered at the last minute that I wanted to white out those boxes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that first so you can see, and now lay down that washi tape again. There we go. And then here is the first sticker that inspired this spread, the yellow rain jacket. And then the teal rain boots, which are super cute. So here's the bottom half of that quote with the swoosh I was talking about earlier. So again, I'm just going to try to use it here to tie everything together, and you'll see how that all comes together at the end. I also cut up this quote here. It says, "Rain, rain, go away," so it would fit in this little area. And then I'm going to start putting in my reminder stickers, the ones that I know things are going on certain days, and I want to make sure that I remember those. This sticker right here is a layered sticker. I put the remember on top of an arrow sticker with the yellow exclamation point, just again to re-emphasize that color scheme. Dropping in a few more of those reminders. And then here are those like swooshy looking stickers I was talking about earlier that I thought kind of reminded me of wind, and I thought that would work well here with the rain spread. So I'm going to put those in. Oops, broke my washi. It's okay. And then hoping to get out on a road trip this week, so I'm going to go ahead and mark off some days. That way I can plan accordingly. And then adding in the rain as I go, just kind of around items. Just going to straighten this guy out. Just add in a few more raindrops, and then I think we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below, and go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!